Those look like pretty healthy sized donuts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are a little bit larger in size, so I'm looking forward to this. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Homegrown's Food 411. We are now on to our next series, which is the raised donuts with chocolate frosting, which I'm very excited about because I love donuts. Ask anyone who works with me upstairs. Today we are at the Donut Hole here on 48th and Highway 2. I just have to point out this awesome little sign here. All you need is love, coffee, and donuts. Love
Amen.
I'm here with Ian Bridge.
Hey guys.
Welcome, Ian.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining me today on this crisp morning.
Yeah.
So we have our donuts here in the back. Just ordered them. We do have 3 rules that we go by for this series. Do you remember any of the rules?
Yes. They can't know that we're coming. It has to be raised with chocolate and only 1 bite.
Correct.
Did I hit all 3?
Yep.
Okay.
That is
good.
correct. Good job. All right. So I'm going to give you yours.
All right. Thank you.
Those look like pretty healthy sized donuts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are a little bit larger in size, so I'm looking forward to this. All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, 1, 2, 3, cheers. I like that frosting.
Me too. Me too. And it's a really rich and dense donut too. Has really good texture to it.
The layer of frosting it's a good amount of frosting.
Yeah, it's not
which is
too
nice.
much.
Yeah, it has a good flavor. Not too sweet, but has just the right amount of flavor to it. The donut is pretty good sized as well. These were just a tad more expensive than some of the others, but I think it's worth it.
Yeah, I agree.
So, yeah, this was really good. I think I'm gonna want to finish this one actually.
Yep. Off camera though.
Of course.
No breaking the rules.
So that being said, what would you rate these donuts here at Donut Hole?
I think I would rate this chocolate donut a 6.5, 6.5.
Okay. I'm going to go a little higher. I think we're around 7.5. So these are pretty awesome in my opinion.
She's the donut expert, so her opinion might hold a little more weight.
I'm a
than
nerd
mine.
like that. Well, how about we compromise? How about a 7.2?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right. The official rating for Donut Hole is 7.2. As always, please remember to like and share our Homegrown Facebook and Instagram pages. We have fun giveaways, lots of different events, and series like this. Lots of food. If you love food, you'll definitely want to follow us. And thanks for joining me, Ian.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. See you next time.